Hi, today we're going to be going over how to view files associated with a record. In this case, we're going to choose an account. However, this process remains the same for an account, an opportunity, a contact, or any other type of record you have in the system. So to start, let's log into our Growth Suite. From here, we're going to go find our account. So I'm going to click on Accounts. I'm going to select Department of the Army. On the right side over here, you'll notice a related list quick links. In here are all the related records we have, including files. We click on File, we'll be able to see any file that we have that is associated to this record. Again, the same thing can be done on both opportunities or contacts or any other record that you have in the system. You will have a files related list, and the files will live in that related list tied to that record.